What's up, homies? This episode of Raw Chicken Experiment is brought to you by oysters, one of the greatest foods ever invented for human consumption. Oh man, that's one of the top foods for me. Oysters. Maybe I'm just very deficient in something that oysters have, but I don't live near the sea, so I don't get that much seafood. And I had oysters probably beginning of the summer, first time this year, and after that I've been craving them. Of course, we got the raw chicken, but I've been craving oysters every week, and I can maybe get them twice a month where I live. They're pretty expensive, but worth it. They're so delicious. Oysters and scallops. That's the best seafood I tasted. I could eat oysters every single day. Or did. My body craves them because I lack something oysters have. Maybe that's it. I'm hungry. My body craves raw chicken also. So let's talk about health protocols, health gurus with their protocols. Because most people are kind of sheep-like, don't really have time or don't even want to think for themselves. They want these packages, ready-made packages, and that's why we have people like me who try to figure out what the fuck is going on with the food, what is the natural diet, what makes us humans live good, what gives us the nutrition we need. There are many health gurus. You can go many ways with this, and that goes to show how freaking lost we are collectively, because there's so many methods, so many diets, so many protocols to get healthy. But every other animal has one diet, one protocol they naturally align with. But we got plenty of protocols. Now, obviously it's good that people are figuring this out. That's how we unlost ourselves. I don't think that's a word. Discover the truth about our diet. The bad thing is, how many of the gurus go wrong? They go the wrong way. That's unfortunate for the guru, him or herself, and the people that follow the guru. That's the first problem with these protocols. The first problem is you should always pay attention. Firstly, yourself, trying to figure it out yourself first. Then get help from the outside and start experimenting. But don't get too dogmatic about it. We all have different starting points. on our health journey. Some people are more fucked up than others. Some people are very fucked up with all kinds of diseases. So maybe you can tolerate certain foods that other people can't. That already makes making a one single protocol diet, one single book, kinda hard. But obviously, some of the gurus, they want their money, they want their cash. Cash rules everything around, cause cream get the money. Dollar bill, y'all. So, there's that problem. The money problem. Some of the gurus maybe don't wanna even figure out the truth. They just wanna make cash. And that's also why you need to pay attention. Whatever protocol you will go, pay attention what happens to your body, to your mind, your spirit. So different starting points, meaning certain people can handle different foods better than others. Now in general, certain foods trigger other people's and other people's can tolerate them. But there are certain foods that most of the people can tolerate. Like really well. Like I talked about in the one video, that one chef who served like thousands of people probably in his career, he never saw anybody that couldn't handle red meat or was allergic to red meat. So that's telling you something. But I even know certain people that don't do the best they can do with, for example, beef, the red meat. They do better with lamb, sheep, fish, chicken maybe. Like, even if you figure out some of the parameters of your protocol, it's really hard to make it, like, what's the word? It is extremely hard to make it that it fits everybody. Impossible, because that would work maybe in a Garden of Eden when we have Adam and Eve. What's this music? Okay, let's go. Speaking metaphorically, that's maybe when we could have one single diet, one food. But now, we've been here, how many years you think? There's many different opinions about that. But we've been here for a while in this realm. And we have degenerated quite a bit as species. So, certain foods gonna work better for some people, certain foods for other people. So, you see, it's really hard to make a single protocol, single diet. And every intelligent guru or person, whatever, trying to figure this out, they will realize this pretty quickly. Some might still do the books, DVDs, YouTube videos, protocols. It's alright. But firstly we need to kinda get the parameters right. Like what's the good stuff, what's the bad stuff. Then we need to get to the specifics for people. Like maybe you can handle this better, You need more chicken and fish, you need more red meat, you need sheep, you need seafood. You cannot tolerate dairy at all, so you need fat from the sheep and cows. This person does well on dairy. And then there's also the things like what you can get, what quality of food you can get. And for example, the oysters, they're kinda pricey. So maybe not many people can even get them if they have access to them. Man, they're good. Top 5 food for me, oysters. They're so good. I got some rocks in my mouth though. Anyway, I'm out of oysters and raw chicken. You see the problems. Figure it out. And I'm figuring it out here. And see you on the next one when we figure something else out.